next is movement. So what is the movement? So nth moment of a random variable x is defined as the mean value of x to the power n, mean value of x to the power n. So in the previous discussion, just that is at g of x in place of g of x, just substitute x to the power n. So it will be nothing but the nth moment of a random variable x. So nth moment of a random variable is mean value of x to the power n or xn bar. ठीक है, xn bar is nothing but another representation for mean value xn bar. ठीक है, if you write x bar it will be the mean value representation of mean value x bar. ठीक है, e of x भी लिख सकते हैं, mx भी लिख सकते हैं, x bar लिख सकते हैं, all are three same. So it is equals to integration minus infinity to infinity x to the power n fx of x dx. So when n equal to 1, इसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? फर्स्ट मोमेंट. So first moment will be nothing but the mean value. If you substitute n equal to 1, it is nothing but the mean value, that is x bar or mx is equals to e of x or is equals to integration minus infinity to infinity x into fx of x dx. ठीक है, समय if it is discrete we will use the summation. ठीक है, हमने एक टाइप का वो लिए. So thus first moment of random variable is mean value of random variable x. So when x is equals to n equal to 2, so x2 bar or mx square or e of x square, or it is equals to, according to definition, integration minus infinity to infinity x square fx of x dx. So it is nothing but e of x square, that is square of x. We are using square on the x, so it is nothing but the mean square value. We will call it as mean square value. ठीक है, that is square on the x, not e square on the e. ठीक है, so it will be the mean square value. Now next is central moment. ठीक है, central moment or moment, there is slight difference between the central moment and the moment. ठीक है, so what is the central moment? Central moment are the moments of difference between random variable x and its mean value. Random variable x and its mean value. So thus the nth central moment will be e of x minus mx to the power n, or according to our definition, integration minus infinity to infinity, just substitute g in place of g of x minus mx to the power n fx of x dx. So it will be the central moment, that is difference between the random variable and the mean value. Difference between the random variable and the mean value. Next is variance. So what is called the variance? So the central second central moment is called the variance, that is when you substitute n equal to 2, it will call the variance of random variable x. So it is represented by sigma x square or var of x, or it is given by e of x minus mx whole square. ठीक है, so just substitute the values in the formula. So x minus mx square fx of x dx. So just it is nothing but इसको we can also simplify it, that is e of x minus mx square. So a minus b whole square formula. So e of x square minus 2 mx into x into mx square. So e of x square minus 2 mx into e of x. So if you open the bracket, so mx is constant, so expectation will be expected value of only x, and mx square is constant, so e of constant value will be same, so that is e of mx square will be mx square. ठीक है, now simplify it. So e of x is nothing but mx, so 2 into minus 2 into mx into mx. ठीक है, so it is minus 2 into mx square, so x square mx square minus 2 mx square will be minus mx square. So from this simplification we can also say that sigma x square or variance will be the difference between mean square value and the square of mean value. You can see mx square, that is square of e of x, it is square of e of x. ठीक है, and e of x square is the mean square value. So variance will be difference between the mean square value and the square of mean value, that is x square bar minus mx square, x square bar minus mx square. Or standard deviation. What is standard deviation? Just square root of variance will be the standard deviation. ठीक है, so it is the variance and standard deviation. So there is a question problem based on about topics. So let x have uniform distribution given by fx of x is equal